Hello students, in the earlier period we did lesson number 3 addition and subtraction. Okay, in that we did addition of 6 digit number and 7 digit number. Then now how we have to do the subtraction of the 6 digit number and 7 digit number, that we have to learn. In previous standard, you subtract 4 digit number, 5 digit number, isn't it? So, first we will recall some few sums. 5 digit numbers we are taking 4, 6, 9. Okay. See, when you are solving the sums, if you are not doing any boxes, that time leave one line up to borrow the numbers, isn't it? If we need to do the subtraction, okay, and write the number neatly. See the both numbers of the same digit or not. Now here how it is same digit, 5 digit number, 5 digit number, isn't it? So it is no problem, and it is already given. When it is given in the horizontal manner, that time we have to take, already it is given in the vertical manner, isn't it? So no need to think, but when it is given in the horizontal manner, that time first check the digits of that particular numbers, and in that way you have to write the numbers. Okay. So here leave the space for the borrowing the numbers, okay, and start to solve the sum. Now see, 37,058 minus 23,469. Now do the subtraction. Now see here, 8 is less than 9. Okay. So we have to borrow the number from the 10 place number, isn't it? 10 place value. Okay. So what is here? 5 is here. From 5 we are taking one number here. So we have to minus one number from 5 here. So it is right. It is 4, and this number becomes 18. Don't mix the numbers. When you are writing the numbers, that time write neatly, otherwise do the columns. So it is very perfect for you for solving. Okay. Now we can subtract 9 from 18, isn't it? So 18 minus 9, here we are getting the answer 9. Okay. Now go to the 10 place number. Now what is the number over here? 4. Here 6. We can't subtract 6 from 4. So again we have to borrow the number from the 100 place, isn't it? But in the 100 place already it is 0. Yes. So first you have to take this 0 from the further this number. Okay. So here we have to cut 7 and write here 6, and then here we are getting the number 10. But to do this subtraction of the 10 place number, here we have to cut one more number and take 9 over here, isn't it? And then it becomes 14. Okay. Why? Because the 100 place is here what? 0, isn't it? So for this 0 we have to go to the 1000 place digit, and from there we have to borrow the, and then here for the 10 plus we are getting 14. Then subtract 14 minus 6. What is the number? Yes, 14 minus 6, 8. Okay. Now see here, 9 minus 4, 5. 6 minus 3, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Understood? Be careful when you are doing the subtraction of this type of numbers, when if there comes 0 in the number, that time. Okay. Now take the another number next number like that. 432 minus 37,921 like that. Okay, see that. Now check. Start to solve. See the numbers first. 50,432 minus 37,921. Now take 2 minus 1, very easy. 2 minus 1, 1. Then 3 minus 2, 1. Okay. Then 4 minus 9, we can't do the subtraction because 4 is less than 9. So, we have to borrow the number from the next place value, isn't it? So, here but it is 0. Again what for 0? We have to take the number. For 0 we have to take the number 10, isn't it? So, for that here go to the next number. Then here cut the number 1 from the number 5. So, here it is 4 and then it becomes 10. Okay. Now, you can borrow a number for the 100 place value. So, here cut the number 10, 1 from 10 and then you are getting here 9. Okay. Then here we can take 14. Okay. 14 minus 9, solve it. Yes, 5. Okay. Now it is very easy for to solve. 9 minus 7, 2. 4 minus 3, 1. Okay. In that way, you have to do the subtraction of the 5-digit number. Now, take the subtraction for the 6-digit number and 7-digit number. Okay. Problem set 11. Open page number 13 and take the sum from that problem set 11. Take the first sum. 8,57,530 minus 4,82,256. Okay. Now, the numbers are given in the horizontal way. What I told, if the sum is given in the horizontal way, you have to place in vertical manner and then you have to solve the sum. Then first see how many digits are there in both numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So, if again you did the boxes, it is very easy for you to solve the sum. Okay. So, first do the boxes, 6 boxes, 6 columns we need. You need 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. This for the number, borrowing the carries, borrow the numbers. Okay. Okay. Now, 8,57,513, 4,82,256. Okay. Then start to subtract. This place you have to keep empty to borrow the numbers from the next place value. Then start to do 3 minus 6. 3 is less than 6. So, we have to borrow a borrow a number from for this unit place. So, cut here 1, 1 minus 1, here it is 0 and take 13 over here. Okay. Because 3 we have to take 13. Now, you can do 13 minus 6. Start to solve 13 minus 6. 7. Okay. Now, again see properly. Here it is 0, here it is 5. Again 0 is less than 5. So, we have to borrow the number. So, cut 5 minus 1, write here 4 and take one number for the 10 place value. 10 minus 5, 5. Okay. Now, 4 minus 2, 2. 7 minus 2, 5. Here 5 and here it is 8. We can't subtract 8 from 5. Again we have to borrow the number from the next place value. So, again cut 1 from 8. So, it is 7 and here we are getting 15. So, it is very easy for you to solve the sum. 15 minus 8, 7, correct. And 7 minus 4, here getting then answer 3. So, your answer is 37, what? 3,75,257. Okay, 3,75,257. Okay, in the same way, take one example of 7-digit number and then do the sum. 6 sum I am taking. Okay. Now, 7-digit number, draw the 7 columns. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, write the number unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 38, 01, 213. So, 38 lakh, 1,213. 37 lakh, 54,648. Subtract. Again 3 is less than 8. So, borrow the number from the 10 place. Cut 1 from 1. So, we are getting 0 here. 13 minus 8, 5. Again here 0, 4. 0 is less than 4. Again we have to borrow from 100 place. So, here cut one number from 2 and take the 10 for the 10 place. 10 minus 4, 6. Now, 1 is again less than 6. Again we have to borrow from 1000. Again here we have to take 0, 1 minus 1, 0 and we have to take a borrow a number for 100. So, it is 1. For 1 we have to take 11. 11 minus 6, 5. Here 0, 4. Again 0 is less than 4. We have to borrow a number from the 10,000 place. But here again it is 0. So, first we have to borrow the number for 10 place from lakh and then we have to go for the 1000 place. Okay. So, here it is 8 minus 1, 7. So, here we can take 10 for this number and now you have to take here. So, cut 1 from here, it gets 9 and then here you are getting 10. So, 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 5, 4. Okay. 7 minus 7, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. So, the answer for the 7-digit number is what? 5-digit it comes. So, answer is 46,565. Okay. Now, how we have to solve the word problem for the subtraction that we have to learn. Now take problem set 12, the first sum. Okay, I am reading the first sum now. Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop worth 27,450 rupees. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still need to be able to buy the laptop? Now first understand the sum. Okay, the Prathamesh has an amount. How much? He has the amount. How much? 22,975 rupees. He has that amount with him. Okay, but the cost of laptop is what? The cost of laptop is 27,450 rupees. Then how is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? So here what you have to do? You have to do the subtraction, because how much amount he need to take the to buy the laptop, that we have to find. Okay, so here we have to subtract only, because whatever amount he have, we have to subtract that amount from the cost of the laptop. Okay, so here when you are solving the word problem, that time you have to write the statements also. Okay, so you can write the statements on right hand side or left hand side. On that is your way or your choice. Okay, so here first here I am writing now cost of laptop. What is that? 27,450 rupees. Okay. Amount Prathamesh has had amount okay, what is that? 22,975. Okay, now how much amount he need? So here we have to write amount needed. Okay, in that way you have to write. You have to subtract, because we can't find the answer. Because how much amount Prathamesh is needed, that we have to find. So from the cost of laptop, we have to subtract the amount which Prathamesh had. Okay, so start. Now without box we are doing na. So see that whether you wrote the proper digits one by one or not. Again, once again check in the sum. How many digits are there in the sum? The digits are 5 only. So it is very easy to you to solve the sum. But if the digits are one less, one more, that time be careful to write the digits one by one. Okay. So whenever you are reading the sum, that time read the sum with their place values. So it is very easy for you to understand and to write the numbers. Okay. Now start to do the subtraction. Here 0 is less than 5, so we have to borrow the number from the unit place. Sorry, 10 place. Borrow the number. When you have to borrow, subtract 1 from the digit 5. 5 minus 1, 4. Okay. So this number becomes 10. Because when we are borrowing, the number 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Okay. Again now check here, 4 and 7. 4 is less than 7. Then again we have to do the subtraction. We have to borrow the number from the 100 place. So first cut 1 from this digit 4. 4 minus 1, here we are getting 3 and this 4 number become 14. Okay. So 14 minus 7, 7. Now 3 and 9. Again 3 is less than 9. Okay. So again borrow from the next unit place. Then this 7 minus 1, here it is 6 and this 3 becomes 13. Then 13 minus 9, yes, 4. Okay. Then 6 minus 2, 4. 2 minus 2, 0. How much amount is needed for Prathamesh to buy a laptop? 4,475. So write a statement for the answer that rupees 4,475 will be needed to buy a laptop. Understood? Okay. Solve the more sums from problem set 12 or you create or you form the sums by your own. So it is very easy for you to do the subtraction of 7-digit, 6-digit number. This is 5-digit number, subtraction of 5-digit. Now we have to take a third sum. Okay. And from that you will understand how you have to do the subtraction of 6-digit to 6-digit, okay, or 7-digit to 6-digit in that way. Now take the third sum. In a certain city, the number of men is 16,37,856 and the number of women is 16,52,978. By how many does the number of women exceed the number of men? That we have to find. Okay. Now again read the half sentence of the problem and then start to solve and then understand the sum. Okay. Go ahead, go again once. In a certain city, the number of men is 16,37,856 and the number of women is 16,52,978. And if you have to compare, what is the word exceed? The number of women exceed the number of men. The word exceed, that you have to compare, and when you have to compare you have to do the subtraction. Okay. So from the number of women you have to subtract the number of men, then we will get that how many women are more than the men. Okay. So here write the statement, number of women. Again see the digits, both the digits are same. Okay. In the for men 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 digit, for women again 7 digit, isn't it? So number of women is what? 16,52,970. Okay. Then I will take little bit down. So we will, it is very easy for us to write the or to borrow the numbers. Number of women 16,52,978. Number of men 16,37,856. When we subtract, then only we will understand that how many women are more than the men. Okay. Now start to solve the sum. 8 minus 2, sorry, 8 minus 6, 2. 7 minus 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 2 is less than 7. So we have to borrow a number. So cut 1 from this number 5. So it becomes 4, and take for 2 it is 12. Then 12 minus 7, 5. Okay. Then 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Then how many women are more than the men? 15,122. So we have to write a answer in the statement. You write the answer in the statement by your own, that how you have to write. How many women are exceeded by men, you have to write. So answer by your own. Okay. So if you solve more sums from the textbook, then only it is very easy for you to solve the to get the answers and to find subtraction, division, subtraction, addition for the 7-digit number, 6-digit number. Okay. So try the statement for yourself and write the answer and solve all the sums from the textbook, which is given in the problem set 12. Okay. Thank you, students.